Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on. What's going on between you and the person on your mind. Let's see what the energy is. I don't think I'm going to take those. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Okay. Someone is trying to move away from the situation. This person has been thinking about a lot of positive things, but at the same time, negative things as well. Okay. Someone is in their thoughts and they are realizing how much they have been in their thoughts. They are living in their head and they are realizing that it's not doing them good, whatever it is. As you can see in the sun, what I see in the card is this horse is also sad. Like, no matter how many happy things happen in their life, they feel sad. And then the justice card as well, because of these checked lines, I see tears. Someone is realizing how they are creating more difficult situations for themselves by not being in the present moment, like, by not grabbing the opportunity that has been presented to them. This might be someone who has ghosted you. Like, if they have ghosted you, this person is in this energy where okay, this person is in a regretful energy, but they are trying to move away from it. They feel as if, it's better to focus on the positive aspects of this connection and the positive aspects of their life as well. We have the Nine of Pentacles and the Oracle of Wands. There's a lot of pentacles in the energy, but I also see wands, I also see swords. There's a lot of things that are changing in this person's life, and they don't like the speed at which these things are changing. With the Nine of Pentacles being here, yes, they are becoming a more independent version of themselves. They are learning how to swim, but it's becoming very tiring for them. With the Oracle of Wands being here, they are evolving into a person which who are learning from their difficult chapters. Like, they are realizing the difficulties of their life has pushed them to become a better version of themselves. This person is in a very introspective energy, but in regards to this connection, they are realizing how much of a harm they have done in this connection. I think this person is in their mind, at least they are giving you their flowers. They are giving you the credit that you deserve, because this connection has really pushed them to become a better version of themselves. With the Ace of Swords, yes, this is the truth. This is the clarity that they are receiving. This person has been a type of individual who lives in their head a lot. Like, this is someone who loves to think about situations. They love to overanalyze. They love to really understand a situation at a deeper level. But this can lead to overthinking as well. If there was a third party in from your side, not from this person's side, but if there was a third party, let's say your ex or someone you were involved with in the past, this person really overthinks about that. With the Hermit being here, this person has a habit of like being alone, being in their own energy, and thinking about things, because they love to know what's the best that can happen and what's the worst that can happen. This person lives in their head a lot. This person might be ruled by the moon, or they might be going through a phase in their life where they are very charged by the moon's energy. But overall, this person is thinking about you a lot. Like, this is someone who has been thinking about you constantly. They think about the good side, they think about the bad side, but mostly they think about how they have had chances to make this connection work, but now they don't have those chances. Time has passed by and they don't have that chance anymore. This person is realizing how much of a problem they can be, like how much of a self sabotager can they be in situations like this. We have the Ten of Pentacles and how it affects their overall stability as well. So, with the Nine of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles, you both are in this energy where you're focused on your careers, respective careers. I think, you know what, like, I'm picking up on this energy. This is a twin flame connection, or this is a very advanced soul connection, which is forcing you to become the better versions of yourselves, like them as well and you as well. And you already have went through this phase where you have introspected and you have realized that this connection means a lot, because this person has stood like a mirror in front of you, and they have helped you evolve as an individual. And now this person is going through a similar situation where they are assessing everything and they are realizing that this situation has changed them for better. This connection was a really big blessing in their life because this connection has made them feel certain things and realize certain things about their life which needed to change immediately. We have the Oracle of Pentacles in reverse and we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. A lot of things in this person's personal life stable, like the stability has been affected a lot. Like with the Eight of Wands, this person wanted quick action or quick uh, reward in a particular situation, and they are now realizing that that was one of the things which was holding them back. With the Four of Pentacles to the Oracle of Pentacles in reverse and the Ten of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles in upright, this person is going through a major financial change, a financial upgrade. And I think you are also going through a financial upgrade because both of you have become action takers. This is a connection which is heavily mirrored. Like whatever happens in your life and you work on it, immediately this person also starts working on it. And like, you both go through similar life lessons back and forth, like very, very fast. Like if it happens to you in the frame of 3 months, like after 3 months, this person will go through a similar space where they realize certain aspects of their mentality and how they need to change it. And they do that. This person is a quick action taker. They really admire you. They really feel as if you both can be in a situation, in a space where you both have the ability to overgive in connections. And if you both balance it out and give it to each other, like when you both come in balance and give it to each other, this will be a perfect relationship. And they know that because they overthink a lot, obviously, so they know that. We have the Ten of Wands to the Five of Pentacles. You know what I'm picking up on? Like someone who has been in a situation financially where they have received a lot of criticism. They have regretted putting effort and energy into connections, into situations which didn't really result into a positive situation for them. And now they are analyzing everything. This person is also in this energy where they feel as if a lot of things that have happened to them in their life now they make sense, because this is not someone who comes from a school of thought where things happen for a reason. This is not that type of an individual. This was someone who used to think that sometimes things just happen and you don't have to give reason to it. So now they are realizing that everything, if you think about it, everything in their life financially and how their life has led to this moment, everything had a reason. It needed to unfold the way it unfolded. And it is causing them some pain. No, like it is causing them some pain because they have really been in a difficult situation. I'm picking up on a loner, okay? So this person might be social. This person might be socially outgoing. They might have a lot of friends, but this person is very alone. This person is feels very isolated internally. Whatever storms come their way, whatever difficult life lessons come their way, they don't share it with the people around them. They might know how this person's life is unfolding, but they don't know how this person is affected by it. That is something they keep to themselves. But when they think about it, you are the only person they can think of that they will feel comfortable opening up with. This person has a very difficult time opening up about their difficulties. So, yeah, a lot of things are in reverse. We have the Five of Swords. This person is in this energy where they feel that, like, this is someone who likes to control things. So this person might be in this space, in this headspace where they went through a phase in their life where things were going good for them and they felt as if, okay, this is something which I can control. Everything will be under my control and I will be okay with it. Like, I just have to make sure that things don't go left. If I control it, they won't go left. But now they are realizing that it's much more complicated than just it being controlled by them. Like this person was operating from their ego. And now they are realizing that, that they are not in control of a lot of things in their life. I think this person is going through a very intense spiritual awakening. This person is going through a very intense spiritual awakening. This is a very difficult chapter of their life. And if you are separated, there's a very strong reason for it because you both need to go through this alone. So I think you have been through this process. Like you have already lived through this process, but now it's this person's chance. They are going through this. They are very overgiving, okay? This person is very overgiving by nature. They love to help people, and to a point where they sometimes sabotage their own future because of this behavior. So they are now realizing the consequences of it. This person is going to learn from it like really quickly. With the temperance being here, I'm picking up on strong you know how fast Sagittarius season changes? Like I'm picking up on someone's energy who's a fast learner. But the process of them realizing where they were wrong is something which takes a lot of time. Once they realize how they were wrong or how they were dealing with something, once they realize that this is a lesson and I need to learn, blah, 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 that's it. That's when everything switches and they turn into a different individual. So that's what's happening for them. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.